Second board, the British Rallycross Grand Prix is go. The cars blast away from the line, and a great start is made by Andy Scott, and Godfrey bolts down a little bit. Procter on the outside line tries to fight down towards Clervaux for the first time. Who's it going to be that turns through in the lead? It's going to be Andy Scott, who leads from Procter. So then as they work their way towards Clervaux, and they're all so hard for this. As Scott leads Procter, he gets a tap in the tail, coming onto the loose for the first time. The Focus is in second place, Doran third, and he's dropped back already. The two leaders are getting away. Andy Scott leads as they come down towards the hairpin, but Kevin Procter is always really good on this part of the circuit. He's got a tighter line out of the hairpin. Andy Scott leads, they touch, do they? But the Peugeot stays ahead. Procter goes for the inside, and that's defended as well. Doran is third, fourth is Godfrey, fifth is Mark Scott, sixth is Grant, seventh is John, 8th is Harris, 9th is Simpson, 10th is Mundy. Great first lap from Ash Simpson to get one place up the grid as the leaders go nose to tail around Clervaux. Andy Scott spreads his way through the circuit. Kevin Procter is right there behind him, getting airborne as he bounces across the loose. These two together with Doran, the best of the rest in third place. Procter carries so much speed through checkers into the hairpin. Andy Scott breaks late now, runs a little bit wide. Procter once again tries to duck up the inside, can't do it. Doran third, Godfrey is fourth, fifth is Scott, and a very wide sixth is Derek Job as they come out of the hairpin. Job almost being collected by Steve Harris as the leaders have done 2 laps. The quickest man on the circuit is Doran in third place. Doran is starting to close on the two ahead of him as they run nose to tail up towards Hawthorne. Fantastic racing, and Doran is bringing Godfrey with him as well. They run their way. Scott gets sideways, so does Procter. Needs to stay with them now, but Kevin Procter once again using all of that speed. Down they come. There's something like 5,000 horsepower in this race, and Procter muscles his way up on the inside of Andy Scott when he hits the tyre stand. Scott gets forced out wide. Procter leads the way. Scott second, Doran is third, and Kevin Procter goes through into the lead of the race. Now what can Scott do from here to fight back? He is going to be well fired up. There was just about a car's width on the inside when Procter made the move. That certainly was when he finished, but Andy Scott will not take kindly to that, so he's after the local man, Kevin Procter. We're on lap 4 out of 6 then. Scott sideways then. They're onto the loose. They're coming down. The Grand Prix leads the Grand Prix, but Andy Scott's closing. Is he going to run too wide? He goes for the inside line and he finds a tyre in the way that was dislodged a lap ago, so now Doran challenges Scott. That should have worked for the Scotsman, but that tyre in the way meant he had to change direction almost. Over the line they've gone. Procter leads the way by over a second. Steve Harris runs way out wide. Andy Grant goes over the tyre, moves it further into the middle of the road. That's going to be another barrel for the race leader next time around. This is the penultimate now. Leads the way. Charging Andy Grant goes down to the Clervaux corner. Onto the loose comes the race leader. Kevin Procter, I think, has done enough. He did the fastest lap of the race last time. There is one more lap to go at the end of this. Place as they break Kevin Procter slows very early as he went for that corner, and Andy Scott again finds a tyre in his way, and again he goes wide, and again Doran tries to get up the inside of him, but they can't change order there because Scott has the drive coming out of the corner. We've lost Derek Job on the far side of the circuit. The leader goes through. He's 2 seconds to the good. It's Kevin Procter's race from here, I think, to lose as they go around Clervaux. Procter should be good for the victory now. British Rallycross Grand Prix. Kevin Procter comes onto the loose for the last time. We've had a superb weekend of racing and a very 2013 British Rallycross Grand Prix is almost at an end. There's 2 corners to go. Kevin Procter comes down to the hairpin. He leads the way, and the 2013 British Grand Prix winner is Kevin Procter, who comes across the line to win ahead of Andy Scott. In third is Doran. 4th will be Julian Godfrey. Mark Scott takes on. 7th is Steve Harris, and then it's going to be Ash Simpson who comes through next. Steve Mundy, I think we lost early on as well, didn't we? Yes. Finishers. So Kevin Croft celebrates in front of you all in Clervaux. drive. He saw an opportunity on the inside to get past Andy Scott. He seized it. It was a bit physical, but it was a hard move nonetheless. It was a successful move. And Kevin Procter wins the British Rallycross Grand Prix. He stands atop the car. Well done, Kevin. Excellent time. Great racing we've had all weekend. And Andy Scott celebrating his second place. I think most of them are down there to do donuts. A perfect way to end what has been a great advert for Rallycross this weekend. So great cars, great drivers, great racing as well, and a variety of winners across the course of the weekend. Julian Godfrey confirmed as the Monster Energy British Rallycross champion. Andy Scott winning the A final yesterday, but the 2013 British Grand Prix won for the first time in his illustrious career by Kevin Procter.